Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got an unboxing. It's exciting. I'm so happy about this. This company reached out to me on Instagram and they said, would I like to show their product on my channel? And I said, yes, of course I would. Right, so what it is it's the Secret Scent Box, and you get 10% off your first scent box. So you just go onto the webpage, Secret Scent. I will leave the link to their webpage down below. And what it is it's a monthly fragrance subscription box that lets you discover new designer perfumes or aftershaves. Get a 30-day supply of 3 surprise fragrances delivered through your letterbox every month from £13. And yeah, so it just says get started. Women's secret scent box. They do a man's secret scent box, and they also gift a secret scent box. So that is it. Right, so now we're just gonna get into it like so. Round come in this little white boxy thing, and I am just gonna look for my gadget to open this. Let's just see what we have got. Oh, okay. As you see, I am nervous, but like we're gonna open this like so, and that is what we're gonna do. Right. Oh, it comes in a nice black little box. There we go. It says Secret Scent. I should have probably just done that in the first place, but I wanted you to get the experience of my unboxing. So there it is, a Secret Scent box. And we're just gonna, oops. Right, so we start off with, you get Hello Beautiful. I like that. Hello Beautiful. There you go. Wow, that makes me feel a bit happier. So it says, for her, the Secret Scent Box. This is a chance to win a Secret Scent Box. Simply leave a review, Trustpilot or Facebook, or this month for a chance to win. That's just a competition. There you go. You can have a chance to win the Secret Scent Box. And Elizabeth Taylor and Sapphire's a floral fragrance which uses a luscious blend of refreshing notes including lily of the valley, rose, ylang-ylang, jasmine spice and musky sandalwood. Top notes: melon, freesia, peach, lily of the valley. Middle notes: jasmine, rhubarb, ylang-ylang, rose. Base notes: vetiver, musk, amber and sandalwood. Don't know if that's in this box, but it sounds amazing. Then the next one is Deconair Pure Verbena, the latest addition to the Pure Deconair story, striving to be socially, environmentally responsible, helping to make a difference drop by drop. The top notes is basil, lemon and verbena. The middle notes is jasmine, peony and honeysuckle. The base notes is amber, seaweed and vetiver. There we go, focus camera. So that is that one. And I don't know if that one is in this box, but we will see. So they have got like 3 little cards. Oh, and there is it's going on about the Armani one. Armani In Love With You, a brand new scent just launched in 2019. By Armani, a new version of the popular Because It's Your Fragrance, the perfect summer scent. It's black cherry, raspberry, black currant. Middle notes: rose, jasmine. Base notes: pistachio, I can't pronounce it. Pistachio probably, is that what it is? Patchouli, I can't pronounce it, but I don't know if that one is in this box, but sounds another amazing scent. Right, okay, so oh, there is our scents this month. I'm sure that must be them, the cards I've read out. So we will start off with this one. This one is, I'm sure it's Elizabeth Taylor. Yes, it is. This one is the Elizabeth Taylor one, and it is amazing. Sounds amazing. I used to always buy Elizabeth Taylor perfume. I used to love her scent back in the day, you know, when I was a teenager going off to school. I can't remember, it was the one I used to have. It was a sunflower one or something like that she had out then. But this one is Diamonds and Sapphires. So right, so what to do is I will pop it on. Now then, perfume always goes on your pulse points. You have one there and you have one there, of course, and always behind your ear is the best place to put it. And so I'm just going to start off with applying it to there. I'm just going to put this one on and shake it down a bit. Oh my gosh, I get like a sexy smell with that. It's just really a nice scent. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. That is amazing. Oh my, I can't stop smelling it. It's just gorgeous. I love that. These is ideal to put in your handbag, and if you're going out for a night out, I definitely wear this one. It's amazing. So yeah, that is a pretty good one. It's the Diamonds and Sapphire one. Perfect bag, put in your bag. I like that one. So then the next one is, I'm sure this one is going to be the Armani, and I got the little card here. I was going to say I've lost it, but I haven't. I've got it here. So let's just follow this one. This one is the Armani In Love With You. So, and this one is the Black Cherry, Raspberry and Black Currant one. So for this one, I'm just going to apply it onto the card because I have already got a scent on. So let's just see what it's going to be like. Oh, that is a very nice light scent. I would say that is perfect for going on a dinner date or something like that. It's not too overpowering. It's just really a nice scent. It's got like a floral sort of vibe to it. I'm getting that sort of vibe. And it's got a light cheery scent to it. It's not like a wow overpowering scent. It's just really a nice scent. Perfect for going for a meal or something like that. Again, handy to pop in your bag and take with you. That is a really good scent. I like the Armani one. There's not been one I don't like. This one is the Deacon Pure Verbena. And this one has got top notes, basil, lemon and verbena. Never had verbena. So I will try this one on my other pulse point and let's just see what I get from this. So this one I will... Oh, this one is a... Oh, I say that this one is more like a daytime perfume. It's really is nice, light, clean. Oh yes, I do like that. It reminds me of like going down the beach or something like that. It's like a really nice, clean scent. It's definitely a daytime one. If you're popping shopping or you are out and about, you're having a day out, I definitely would wear this one. It's gorgeous. Right, so I love all three of them, and I think that this is like a perfect little box, and this will definitely last me a month. So there we go, you see it? What a good subscription box. Right, so if you liked my little unboxing, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye! Bye bye!